It was 11 p.m. A small coffee shop where people were working away on their laptops. Right there in a corner, a man sat quietly, a simple black hoodie, no expensive watch, no showing off, but he had $38 million in his bank account. Do you know what the strangest part in this? No one in the coffee shop even realized that the man sitting right in front of them was a millionaire, because truth wealth make noise. In today world, everyone wants to show off a new car, a luxury vacations, branded clothes. People are busy trying to look rich on social media, but many truly wealthy people in America are exact opposite. They speak very little, they show off even less, and they quietly continue to make money because they know noise attracts attention, silence attracts power. A person who constantly talk about their plans gradually lets their energy leak away, but a person who works quietly builds up a tremendous amount of focused energy, and focus creates money. Ethan, who lived in Los Angeles, seemed like a perfectly ordinary man during the day. He traveled by subway. He wore simple clothes. He used an old phone. People used to think he living in average life, but the reality was quite different. Ethan woke up at 4 a.m. every single day. 2 hours of meditations, 1 hour of readings, and then work on his online business. No partying, no showing off, no ideal charter. 10 years later, that same quiet man had become the owner of multiple properties, and the people who had once mocked him were still busy trying to impress others. Silence is not merely about keeping quiet. Silence means protecting your goals. Protecting your goals. Successful people in America understand one thing: everybody does not deserve access to your visions. It is not necessary to tell everyone about your next move, because some people do not truly support you. They secretly drain your energy. When you talk too much about your dreams, the world begins to sow seeds of doubts. But when you work in silence, the result speak for themselves. The result speak for themselves, and the voice of results is always more powerful than words. There was a time when a boy named Michael would constantly say, I am going to be rich, I am going to be a businessman, but he only talked about it. On the other hand, his friend Daniel remained very quiet. No announcement, no motivational quotes, no social media flexing, just daily discipline. 5 years later, Michael was still talking about ideas, but Daniel had already bought his own apartment near Miami Beach. Why? Because in life, loud people seek attentions, quiet people build empires. In reality, silence is also a spiritual power. When a person is quiet, their mind becomes clear, and a clear mind makes better financial decisions. That is why many CEOs in America practice meditations, observe morning silence, take nature's walk, because wealth does not come slowly from hard work. Wealth comes from quality, discipline, and controlled energy. If there are constant distractions, money will not stay with you. But if your mind is calm, opportunity will begin to reveal themselves. So the next time the world asks you to prove yourself loudly, remember my words, remember my words. True wealth lies in silence. Truly powerful people speak very little because they know silence is not impotence, silence is a hidden power, and perhaps to transform your life, you do not need to speak more, you simply need to work quietly. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, also watch this video again, it will make you feel even better. Thank you so much.